Why do we have to connect Facebook and Instagram? The integration of Facebook and Instagram offers several benefits, since both are from the same Meta platforms. Cross-platform sharing. Linking your Facebook and Instagram accounts allows you to easily share your Instagram posts on Facebook and vice versa. This integration simplifies the process of cross-promoting your content and reaching a wider audience. Synchronized contact lists. When you connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts, you can synchronize your contact lists, which makes it easier to find and connect with friends, family, and acquaintances across both platforms. Single sign-on. By linking Facebook and Instagram, you can use your Facebook credentials to log into Instagram, eliminating the need to create a separate account. This streamlines the login process and offers convenience. Enhanced advertising options. Advertisers can leverage the combined reach and targeting capabilities of Facebook and Instagram through integrated advertising campaigns. This allows businesses to target their audience effectively and achieve broader reach across both platforms. I hope this information is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.